How to dissolve an LLC in California. Dissolving an LLC in California involves a series of essential steps to ensure compliance with the state regulations. This guide outlines the key actions required to successfully close your LLC and protect your interest. Review your operating agreement. Before initiating the dissolution process, it is essential to review your LLC's operating agreement. This document typically outlines the procedures for dissolution, including voting requirements and the distribution of assets and liabilities. Understanding these provisions is crucial as they dictate how members should proceed. If the agreement specifies a particular process or majority needed for dissolution, ensure that you adhere to those guidelines to maintain compliance and avoid disputes. Vote to dissolve. Once you have reviewed the operating agreement, convene a meeting with all LLC members to vote on the decision to dissolve the company. This meeting should be documented thoroughly, noting the date, time, and outcome of the vote. If your operating agreement specifies a required majority for approval, ensure that this is met. Documenting this decision is critical as it provides legal backing for the dissolution and helps prevent any future disagreements among members. File necessary forms. After obtaining the necessary votes for dissolution, you must file specific forms with the California Secretary of State. If all members are in agreement, you will need to submit Form LLC-47. If there is no unanimous consent, you must file Form LLC-3 alongside Form LLC-4 of 7. For newly formed LLCs that qualify, consider using Form LLC-4 of 8, which simplifies the cancellation process under certain conditions. File final tax returns. Before completing the dissolution process, you must file your final tax return with the California Franchise Tax Board. Mark this return clearly as your final submission for the LLC. Ensuring that all taxes owed are paid is crucial to avoid penalties or ongoing tax liabilities after dissolution. This step also helps maintain compliance with the state laws and confirms that your business has settled its financial obligations before closing. Settle debts and notify creditors. Before finalizing your LLC's dissolution, it is crucial to settle any outstanding debts and obligations. Notify all known creditors about the impending dissolution and provide them with a deadline for submitting any claims against the LLC. This proactive approach helps limit future liability and ensures that all financial responsibilities are addressed before closure. Properly managing debts during this phase protects both the LLC and its members from potential legal issues down the line. Close tax accounts. While New Mexico does not require a tax clearance before dissolving an LLC, it is advisable to settle any outstanding taxes. File final tax returns with both state and federal authorities, clearly marking them as final. This step ensures that you fulfill all tax obligations before closing your business officially. Additionally, keeping clear records of these filings can help protect you from future tax liabilities related to your dissolved LLC. Cancel licenses and permits. As part of the dissolution process, it's important to cancel any business licenses or permits associated with your LLC. This action informs regulatory bodies that your business operations have been ceased. Failing to cancel these licenses may result in ongoing fees or penalties. By taking this step, you ensure that you are no longer subject to compliance requirements associated with those licenses, which helps streamline your transition out of business. Close bank accounts. The final step in dissolving your LLC involves closing all business bank accounts and credit lines associated with the company. This action prevents unauthorized transactions from occurring after dissolution and ensures that no further financial activities can take place under the LLC's name. It's also wise to obtain written confirmation from your bank regarding the account closures for your records. Taking this precaution helps protect you from potential liabilities that could arise post-dissolution. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure that your LLC is dissolved in compliance with New Mexico state laws and that all necessary obligations are settled appropriately. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.